Morning, everyone. Old School is back at it again, and welcome back to another Sunday morning ride with Old School. Now, grab that cup of coffee and come right along with me. This is episode 2 of our Sunday morning journey to the Texas City Dike. And if you missed episode 1, don't worry. You can go back and catch it after today's ride. We've got more road ahead of us, more scenery to see, and plenty more footage from that Insta360 X5. So y'all kind of sit back there, relax, and let's get back on the road. I don't know if y'all know it or not, but Texas City Dike is pretty long. And I think it's been probably about 40 years since I've last been here, or more. Gotta watch that speed limit. It's 25 up in here. Almost hit that seagull. Man, I forgot how long this thing was, or is. thank y'all for riding along with Old School this morning. We still got plenty more to see. Now come and join me next Sunday morning at 8 o'clock at Central Time for the third episode. And while you're here, drop me a comment and tell me what you enjoyed most about the ride so far. Now, in the next two rides, as I said, that old Texas City Dike is probably about 5 miles long. I was kind of surprised. I didn't really realize it went that far out into the water until I got on those two wheels and rode down it. But anyhow, until next Sunday, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and as always, y'all stay blessed.